and I've recently cleared my step 1 examination. Um, and I would like to share my experience and journey of clearing this step 1 examination. Initially, I had no idea about USMLE throughout my MBBS. Um, and also heard from a lot of my friends that it's a very tough examination and one has to sit at least 8 hours to clear this examination. So yeah, there were many uncertainties to it also, but I always dreamt of clearing this USMLE, so I had to search through internet for resources that I need to clear this examination. And then I came across MOKSH through internet and also through one of my friends. So I contacted them, and they gave me a brief idea about how to get on with it. So it gave me some confidence, and so I joined MOKSH. And honestly, it was a very good decision that I made, I would say, because small details like how many questions to do per day or how many pages to read per day were very helpful for me. And also they conducted CV sessions once per month, and also see building up a CV is very important, and it's very a vital aspect to follow. So yeah, I would say that things like keeping my progress throughout these 9 or 10 months of preparation was very important, because it helped me to achieve my short-term goals. So, and also personally, I would say that the mental support from MOKSH team was very helpful for me, because whenever I used to get stuck in between, whenever I used to feel like I might not be able to do this, and whenever I feel less confident, they really gave me a good boost of confidence. So yeah, I would say that mental support was very helpful throughout my preparation. So thank you, MOKSH, for helping me to clear this examination.